Hello, welcome. So in this video I'll be showing you how to download videos from Facebook. I'll be showing you how to do that as simple as you can ever imagine. So here I'm on my Facebook account and I have some saved video ads that I did want to download. I like to download them. So the first thing I will do is I just come to the video and you right click on the video. You see copy video URL, you will see copy video URL at current time. Either of them can go. So just copy it, and here are some sites that you'll be using. We have saveas.co. All you need to do is to come to the URL box here and paste the link that you just copied. The video link that you just copied. Can you see? This is the link. Now you'll be asked to download in a normal quality or in HD quality. Also we have fbdown.net. You also come to this search button here, search box, and you paste the link that you want to download. Can you see? It gives you options to download in normal quality or in HD quality, and you can find more options. So we also have another site, bitdownloader.com/facebook-video-downloader. All you need to do is to paste your video link as well and click on download box. Let's wait for it to load. Can you see your file is ready for download? Now you can choose from any of the format and sizes here and download. So let's quickly download one of these videos. So I come here and I will click on a download in HD quality. I just clicked on download in HD quality. Can you see my video is downloading here? So this is how to download video from Facebook. Another thing you can do is to click on the link itself. You click on the link and it will open in a new tab. You can copy the URL from the link there, and you still come over to any of these downloader. Just come over to any of these downloader and you paste the URL that you copied. You can see this one is quite different from the other one, and it will still download. You click on download. Let's wait for it to load. Okay, you click on the video, click on download. Can you see? So it has opened the link where we would download the video. So this is how to download videos from Facebook. This is how I normally download videos. Even if it's a video ad, maybe you see an ad on Facebook, a video ad, and you love the video ad, you want to have a copy of it, you can download it using this process. And even if it's someone's video that the person posted on his page or his profile, you can as well download it by following this process. Just copy the link of the video and come to any of these downloader and paste the URL. So if you check in the description box, you are going to find the link to these downloaders. So please, I want you to subscribe on my YouTube channel. I want you to subscribe and click on the notification bell so that you get notifications whenever I post a new tech hack or a new internet hack, so that you will get notifications. Please subscribe and click on the notification bell, and I hope this video gives you value, and I hope you actually learned how to download videos from Facebook. So please don't hesitate to drop your comments, like and share this video, and I hope you subscribe. Thank you.